how to scan a QR code on your mobile device if it's running Android. So the first method is to drag the menu from the top here. And if you see a QR code scanner option, you should click on it. Otherwise, you should click on the edit here. And this will bring more tools that you can use. And you should look for something called scanner, which is this one right here. And make sure to add it to the visible list. And once you add it, you can click on it to open it up. And this should launch the camera, which you can use to scan your QR code. And you can also upload an image or use an image. So if you go back using this arrow on the top left, you should see an option here, which is an image icon. You can click on it, and this should allow you to upload an image. In this case, it might be a picture of the QR code. And then you can simply select the image and press OK to scan it, and this should scan and give you the QR code result, whether it's a link or anything else. And if you don't have this on your phone, you should simply open up the Google Play Store, and then you want to look for a QR code scanner app. So type QR code scanner and download the first app, which will basically install a QR code scanner application on your mobile device. Once it's installed, you should open it up, and then it should basically offer you two options. One is to scan using your phone camera, which is you should allow the camera from the settings to be accessible, and then you can basically take scan of the QR code, or you can go back and use an image instead, which offers as the second option, select image, and then you can pick from your library or files of image, for example a QR code image, and then it will automatically scan it for you. And that's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.